Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn how to multiply algebraic expressions. Let's make it simple and fun. So in this lesson I have got like multiple choice questions, so I'm going to solve this. I have first question here, 3x square times 4x cube. 3 and 4 are the coefficient. So when I multiply the expression, I first multiply the coefficient. So 4 times 3 is 12. X and x are the same variable, so when I multiply the same variable I add their powers. 3 plus 2 is 5, so 12x 5. This is the answer here, 12x 5. Next I have 2y times 1 over 3y square. First I multiply the coefficient. 2 times 1 over 3, and then I have y and y square, same variable, I will add their power. Over here there is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So when I simplify this, I multiply the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2 over 3 y cube. So I will check for the option 2 over 3 y cube. This is option A. This is my answer. Next I have negative 5a square times 3a. I will first multiply the coefficient. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. A and a are same variable, so I'm going to add their power. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I have got negative 15a cube, which is B. This is the answer here. Next I have half x square times 2 over 3x. So I multiply the coefficient first. Half times 2 over 3, and then x and x same variable, I'm going to add their power. There is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. I will simplify. I can see that this 2 and 2 could be cancelled. It would be 1 over 3 left, and x cube, 1 over 3 x cube. This is B. Next I have 4xy times 2y square. I multiply the coefficient first. 4 times 2 is 8. X, y and y square would be y cube. Because they are same variable, I'm going to add their power. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 8xy cube. This is option C. Next I have 5m square and 3mn square. So I multiply the coefficients first. 5 times 3 is 15. M and M same letters. I'm going to add their powers. 2 plus 1 is 3. And n square same. I'm going to add their powers. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 15m cube n cube. 15m cube n cube. This is option A. This is my answer. Next I have negative 2x cube, negative 4x square. I will multiply the coefficient. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. X cube and x square, same variable. I'm going to add their powers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8x 5. B. I have to be very careful. If I write negative here, my answer will be A, which is incorrect. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. x5, which is option B. In my next question here, I have a fraction again. So 3 over 4p times 2 over 5p square. So I will multiply the coefficient, which are fractions first. 3 over 4. I will write like this. And then I will multiply my letters p and p square, same variables or letters. I'm going to add their power. 2 plus 1 is 3. Over here I can just simplify, or I have to look at my options. In the option it is not simplified, so I'm not going to simplify here. I will just multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 5 is 20 p cube. 6 over 20 p cube. This is a here. I have to be very careful, though I can simplify 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2, which will become 3 over 10. Over here I can simplify either 2, 3 and 2, 10, 3 over 10. By in my answers it is not simplified. So the two fractions are not simplified. We just multiply two fraction and check whether we have got answer here or not. If we don't see the answer, then we simplify. Otherwise this answer over here is unsimplified, so I'm going to write this answer as it is without simplifying, because in my option the answer is not simplified. In my next question, I have 6r square s times 2rs square. I will multiply the weight coefficient first. 6 times 2 is 12. R and R same variable. I will just add their power. 2 plus 1, because I'm multiplying, I'm adding their power. S and s square will s cube. So this is 1 here. 2 plus. So 12 r cube s cube, which is option D. Next I have 7w times negative 3w cube. 7 and negative 3. I will multiply them first, which is negative 21. W and w cube, which is w4. Same letters. I'm going to add their power. 3 plus 1 is 4. Negative 21 w4, which is option A. Next I have here again fraction. So 1 over 3b square times 3 over 4b. So I multiply the coefficient first. 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. B square and b same variables. I'm going to add their power. 2 plus 1 is 3. Over here I have to again see my answer. Is my answer 3 over 12b cube? 3 over 12b cube. Yes, it is. 3 over 4b cube. No, this is not the right answer, because 3 over 12 or 1 over 4. 1 over 4b square, which is not correct. And 3 over 12b cube. This is the right option. In this question, I have 8h square k times negative 2hk square. So I multiply the coefficient first. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. H and H, same variable. I'm going to add their powers when I'm multiplying the terms. So 2 plus 1 is 3. K1 and k square. K is 3. So negative 16 h cube k cube. Negative 16 h cube k cube. So I have to be very careful if I write positive here. So I will choose option B, which is incorrect. I have to be carefully multiplying the signs as well. In my next question, I have 4t times half t square. So I multiply the coefficient first. 4 times half, and then t and t square. T1 and t square, the same variable. I'm going to add their powers, which is t cube. This will become 4 over 2. Multiply the numerators, which is 4 over 2t cube, which could be further simplified as 2, 1, 2, 2. This is 2t cube. I have to check my answer, 2t cube, which is option A. In this option, we can see that the answer is simplified. While in our previous questions, the fractions were not simplified, they were just multiplied. Negative 3q square times 2q cube. Multiply the coefficient first. Negative 3 times 2 is 6. q2 and q3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative 6q5. Here, carefully we have to multiply, because if we choose incorrect sign, we will choose A, which is incorrect option. Next I have 9c squared d times 2 over 3 cd. So 9 times 2 over 3, I multiply the coefficient first, which is 9 and 2 over 3. Then c and c same variable, I will just simply add their power, c cube 2 plus 1, d and d power 1 and 1, which is d square. I will simplify. 9 times 2, multiply the numerators, which is 18 over 3c cube d square. I can simplify this. 3 1 3 6. So 6c cube d square. 6c cube d square, which is option number D. This is the answer. Number 16, 5 over 6v minus 3 over 4v square. Multiply the coefficient first. 5 over 6 times negative 3 over 4, v1 and v square, which is v cube. And we multiply the numerators as well as denominators. Negative 15 over 24v cube. I can see my answer here. Negative 15 over 24 v cube. 3 5 3 8 5 over 8 v cube, which is answer D. I have next 2g cube times negative 5g square. So multiply the coefficient first. Negative 10, 5 times 2 is negative 10. G cube g square is g5. Negative 10g5, which is option C. Next I have 4z square times 3 over 8z. Multiply the coefficient first and the letters z square and z1, which is z3. I will just add their powers. I have to multiply this. So 4 times 3, multiply the numerators, which is 12 over 8 z cube. I have to see my answer, 12 over 8 z cube. No, I will just simplify. 4 2 4 3. 3 over 2 z cube. After simplifying, 3 over 2 z cube. This is answer. Next I have 6f square times negative 2f cube. Multiply the coefficient first. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. F square and f cube is f5. I will just add their powers. Negative 12 f5, which is this. Next is 2 over 5 u square times 5 over 3 u. So I will just multiply the coefficient, which is 2 over 5 and 5 over 3. U square and u is u cube because they are same basis. I will add their powers. So over here I can simplify the fraction 5 1 and 5 1. So 2 times 1 here 2 and 3 times 1 here 3 u cube. 2 over 3 u cube. 2 over 3 u cube, which is a. So I hope you understand these questions and you like this lesson. We solved quite a few questions here. They were tricky questions as well, especially those which involve fractions. Till I will be making another lesson in I hope you understand how to multiply the algebraic expressions. I hope you understand how to multiply the algebraic terms. We solved quite a few questions which involve fractions as well. In the next lesson, we will learn how to divide the algebraic terms. Till my next lesson, bye bye.